Namaskar to all my global people and friends and well wishers. Today, let us start our yoga at home class. Om Guruve Namaha. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिता गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Primary exercise start. एक, breathe in 50%. दो, breathe in 100%. तीन, breathe out 50%. चार, breathe out 100%. Do like this for 6 times. Primary exercise, sides please. एक, breathe in up to 50%. Breathe in 100%. Breathe out 50%. Breathe out 100%. एक, दो, तीन, चार. Like this you perform for 6 times. Okay. Shoulder exercise. एक, दो, तीन. Reverse. एक, दो, तीन. Like this you perform for 6 times. Hand exercise. एक, दो, तीन. Reverse. एक, दो, तीन. 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 Okay. Now twist. एक, दो, तीन. Next. Reverse. एक, दो, तीन. Perform for 6 times. Okay. Now Padahastasana. Ready? एक, breathe out. In the beginning stage, you bring your hands up to knees or to this place, or gradually increase spring action. Start spring action at waist position. You do slowly, practice slowly. दो, breathe in. तीन, breathe out. Be in this posture for few seconds while rising, while making your body up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay in this asana for a few seconds and you perform this asana 6 times. Okay. This is Padahastasana. Good for your stomach disorders. It can cure all first stage stomach disorders and useful for lumbar spondylitis problem too. Okay. Now, triangle asana. एक, breathe in. दो, gradually increase like this. तीन, चार, पाँच, छः. Perform this exercise for 6 times. Reverse triangle. Asana. Left leg, right hand. एक, 2 3 4 5 6. Perform for 6 times. This is reverse triangle asana. Now body massage, combing exercise. See, rub with these fingers. Just like combing of your hairs. Next, front portion, forehead portion. Next, eyes, nose, neck portion. Next, stomach portion. Hands. Next, legs. Body massage. Legs. Next, feet. Rub your feet. Next, bottom portion of feet. Your feet. Press like this. Acupressure. Next, butterfly asana. Okay. Now let us do Ardha Shirshasana asana. Shirshasana asana is also good, but heart patients and BP patients shall not do. Half Shirshasana is fit for all. It improves your memory power. Be in this asana for few minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay. After performing 6 asanas for 6 times, you take rest in Makarasana and Shavasana. See, this is Shavasana. Be in this asana for a few minutes. Okay. Now, Halasana. See, Halasana. See. These are my hands. See. Being in this asana for a few minutes. This is Halasanas. You do for 6 times. After performing 6 exercises, 6 asanas, take rest in Makarasana. See Makarasana. This is Makarasana. See, these are my hands. See my posture. This is Makarasana. It gives relief and headache. First stage migraine also curable. Forehead touches to the ground. Stomach also touches the ground. And your hands, keep your hands, your fingers on the ground. Be in this asana for a few seconds or few minutes. This is Makarasana. Okay. Next. See. This is Vajrasana. After food also you can perform. Good for stomach disorders and other diseases. Some acute stage diseases curable. Be in this asana for some minutes or after. You can do for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay. Shashankasana. See, this is Shashankasana. There are 42 asanas mainly in yoga. Yoga means yoga and meditation. You can do 12 to 15 asanas. They are enough. Or if the time permits, you can do 42 asanas. Or if you do Surya Namaskar, 12 steps are there. Perform for 12 cycles or 6 times or 12 times. That is enough, equal to 42 asanas. Or you can do some important exercises in yoga. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, eye exercise. Eye exercise. Okay, in this mudra, sit straight. Sit in this posture, thumb and ring finger. Be in this mudra posture. Sit straight. Next, left. Head should not move, just your eyeballs to move. Next, straight. Next, right. Next, straight, up, down, up, down. Next, rounds, up, right side, ground, left side, up, look at the roof. Next, right like this. You move your eyes without moving head. Here, the head is constant. Only eyes must move. Next, reverse. Slowly move. You perform this asana for 10 cycles. After that, rub your hands and create heat in your hands and transmit to your eyes, so that the tired eyes will get rest. Okay. This is about ayasana. It makes your eyes powerful. Yoga is nothing but a physical exercise or godly exercise, a systematic exercise, makes your body fit, and meditation is a form of rest. It makes your mind fit, peace, and gives healthy, happy, peaceful life. And it also makes you a wonderful person, a great person. That is the power of meditation. Okay. This is about yoga and meditation. And I say exercise is over. Now, pranayam. Okay, sit in this posture. Take these two fingers, thumb and ring finger. Breathe in through left side nose. Breathe in fully and hold. Close your nose, eyes, mouth, everything. Hold. Be in this posture for few seconds. As you can. Be in this posture for a few seconds. And release the air through right side nose. And again, breathe in through right side nose. Hold, close your eyes, nose, mouth, everything. Every part. Hold. Just like dead body, make your body. Now again, inhale through left side nose. Breathe in fully. Hold. For a few seconds. Exhale through right side nose. Like this you perform for 10 cycles. Okay. After that, release the excess oxygen taken by you. Breathe in fully. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Now, Garudasana. See, it makes your hands and legs fit and strengthy, powerful. Okay. एक, next. दो, तीन, चार. Like this you perform for 10 times. Pavanamuktasana. Fit for gastritis. Okay. Take left leg, bend. In. Now, breathe out. Rest. Then, two legs. Breathe in completely. Now breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out completely. Be in this posture for a few seconds. Okay. Again, start from right side. एक, दो, तीन. Okay. Now take rest in Shavasana for a few seconds. It gives relief to your body. Or it can be performed in this manner too. See? This is also dead body asana, Shavasana. It gives rest for your body. Okay. Now, Bhujangasana. See? Breathe in, hold, and move like this. Ek. Perform for 10 cycles. Breathe in fully and do move. There are different types of exercises in each and every part. Okay. Breathe in. It can be performed in this manner too. Keep your body in this position for a few seconds. Lift front side portion. up to the navel portion. Rest. Breathe in, hold, be in this form for a few seconds. Perform for 10 seconds. Now, Shalabhasana. See, Shalabhasana. Lift back portion up to the navel area. Breathe in fully and hold. Ek. Rest. Though lift up your body, half body, back side body, back portion up to the navel area. Breathe in fully and lift. Rest. Perform this asana for 10 times until you get more sweating. Okay. Sweating should come like this. Good for health. All dirt will be cleaned, will be removed from your body by this physical exercise. For farmers, yoga, physical exercise not needed. Their daily routine work, field works, such as flowing, transportation of materials, field produce, etc., from field to house and field to market, etc., that is exercise enough. And their timely sleep is equal to meditation. And there are no hard and fast rules. They can also do yoga and meditation for improvement in their life. Okay, this is best for students, for memory improvement, and women's, girls. This yoga can avoid all stomach disorders, mental disorders, and other seasonal diseases, virus diseases, uterus disorders, ovary disorders, and other glands diseases. Fit for women, girls, students, and all kinds of people, and mainly for business people and employees and politicians. Very useful. Now let us do Naukasana, Padavasana. Okay, Botasana. Ek. Breathe out. Be in this form for a few seconds. Rest. This is good for averting stomach disorders and lumbar spondylitis, etc. Though, breathe out. Rest. Like this, you perform for 10 times. Take rest in dead body asana, which is called as Shavasana. It gives much mental relief. Okay, there are 42 asanas and some videos are available in YouTube. Watch and do. Depending on the availability of your time, you can perform 12 to 15 asanas or 42 asanas, or you do Surya Namaskar. Okay. Safety skills education is also included in SVPSO International Non-Profit Organization program. Yoga and meditation, scientific pyramid yoga, scientific pyramid Gruha Vastu, scientific pyramid electrohomeopathy and alternate medical system of plants and flowers. Safety skills for women, girls, and soft people. See, for mainly women's, men and girls. See, whenever criminals or rapists attack you in final stage, to save your life, take and throw. Save your life. Keep some quantity or packets in your bag. This also can use. In emergency, you can use your teeth also. Four. Five. For women's, females. Six. Seven. Eight. Okay. In yoga, some safety skills education is also included for safety of women's, girls, and soft people. Second, safety skills education. Third, safety skill education. Now, our yoga class is over. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.